Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite queen of modesty coming at you live from Lagos, Nigeria. Today guys, as you can see, we are having a delicious beef steak stew. Oh gosh, look at how cute. Did I just say cute? Well, technically how cute this like beautiful pieces of beef are. Well, anyways, basically what I did to the beef, I boiled it in, I'll put all the seasoning down below and all the ingredients and the steps. I boiled it and then I just fried it for a little bit on all sides. So now this is actually the pot that I used to make the stock. So by the time I put like tomatoes in here, it should be able to like take all this off and just marry into the stew for some delicious goodness. So in here is the fried beef with the terrific trio of spices: onion, ginger, and garlic. And into this I would be, it's a very quick recipe guys. This is like for those people who just do not have the time to be like chopping up the whole like pantry, or like the whole like, you know, I don't know, vegetable section of your kitchen. I don't even know how to put it, but you know, just a quick and easy beef stew. So in it has gone the onion, ginger, garlic with the beef. So into this I'm going to add canned chopped tomatoes, and I'll be right back guys. Alright guys, so I have added the canned chopped tomatoes and it's already smelling so delicious guys. The mixture of like the beef with the onions, ginger, garlic, everything is just smelling so good guys. Oh, can't wait to hit the sauce with like seasoning. Oh, extra flavor. Yes, y'all. Yes, I'm so excited about this beef stew. So yeah, this is just a very quick recipe. After this, I'm just going to add tomato puree to kind of thicken up the sauce. And then I'm going to put in all my delicious spices, which will be listed down below. And then we'll come back and see what the end result is looking like, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys. So I have added the tomato paste. And the sauce is going to thicken real quick. Look at all the fumes just coming at us live. Oh, look at how gorgeous that looks, guys. Yes. So delicious. So once I mix in the tomato paste, the tomato puree, it's actually going to be really thick. So I'm going to have to put a little bit of water just to like soften up the sauce. And then after this, I'll put in all my favorite spices, which I'm going to let you guys know in a bit. And yes guys, so let's keep cooking and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so I have added all the seasoning. I have added black pepper, white pepper. Ooh, look at all that smoke, honey. Can we reduce that? Oh wow. Okay guys, so I've added black pepper, white pepper, turmeric, Italian seasoning. What else did I put in here? Cumin. And what else did I put in here? I think, yeah, 4 seasoning cubes. Actually, 4 chicken seasoning cubes. And I know you guys are like, chicken in beef stew? Honey, it works. Okay? Okay. So that's the end of the sauce, guys. Very simple, very quick, very easy. Nothing too dramatic. I'm going to be having it with my favorite food. My favorite. I don't even know, it's pasta or carbohydrate or something, but anyways, I'm gonna be having it with some delicious pasta. My mouth is already watering, guys. It smells absolutely good in here. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys. Love you. God bless you. Mwah.